I had no idea Chick-fil-A is selling dinner kits that are Italian. Chicken Parmesan. Let's check it out.
And do you know what you'd like today?
The Chicken Parmesan kit?
Regular chicken, spicy chicken, or grilled chicken?
Regular chicken. Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Ciao. Dinner for 2 is $16.99. Dinner for 4 is $31.20. So you save a tiny bit of money. So of course I've got 5 people in my family, but my kids, they don't eat like adult sized portions. So I feel confident that this will be enough food, but I can't wait to see what it all comes with. All right, got my kit. Let's do a little unpacking. Okay, so it looks like I got 2 kits for 2. So I guess that's the way it works. So a little box like this. And then you get 2 bags of the chicken. So I think dinner for 4 is gonna be good. So I'll meet you back at the house. All right, I am home and about to throw dinner together. So let's see what's in here. Chicken Parmesan kit, sealed. It says ready in 25 minutes. Instructions, this is what it's supposed to look like. Perfectly seasoned and breaded chicken with tomato sauce and Italian style cheeses served with creamy garlic and lemon pasta. I kind of thought this would just be throw it together, but this is kind of like the Blue Apron or those kind of dinner kits, which I've never ordered before. So this is kind of neat. And then on the back here, it has all of the instructions. I'll show you what's in here. All right, so pasta, then you get kale, tomatoes, and a lemon, some Italian cheese blend, some Alfredo sauce, and a little bit of marinara sauce. All right, I've got my supplies out and ready to go, and now I'm just following the instructions. All right, so step 1 is to wash your hands, which I've done, and preheat your oven, which I've done, and to line a baking sheet with foil. These are really written for the dinner for 2, so I'm not gonna do this twice. I'm just gonna, accommodate it for 4. All right, I'm going to cut each of these into 4 strips. Excuse my different colored nails. I feel like I wanted to cut that in 5 strips. I'm pretty sure you can do whatever you want. All right, so we have arranged our chicken on top of the tray, and now going to follow the instructions. It says to put half a pack on each chicken breast and then half the pack of cheese. Now this is where the instructions get a little crazy for me. Basically you want to make like a foil packet for these to cook in. I don't know about that. I feel like it's gonna get a little soggy. If it was me, and really if I did not read the directions, I would have topped it and thrown it in the oven. Maybe I'll do 2 their way and 2 my way. Although I should probably just listen to Chick-fil-A because they usually know what they're talking about. Okay, so I've made a foil pouch, and then I guess maybe I'll just kind of tint these other ones. All right, so I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and then we will make the side dish to go alongside. Okay, I have washed and cut my tomatoes and my kale. I want to make note that the kale is very fresh and clean. I don't see any brown pieces at all. The tomatoes are perfect. All right, so add kale, tomatoes, Alfredo sauce, and a 1/4 cup of water to the skillet. Stir to combine and cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. Now it's time to add in the pasta. The pasta looks like it's almost cooked, so that way it's not gonna be mushy or overcooked. Let me taste it. It's pretty cooked. All right, we just stir this till it's all hot. Okay, I'm going in with the lemon. It says be careful not to get the seeds in there. This picture looks really good. It almost looks like there's crumbly bits of Parmesan on there, but I don't see any Parmesan. All right, time to get the chicken, and then we just plate it up together. Here's mine that just has the foil tinted over. Let's see what the pouch looks like. They feel about the same, so I don't think you have to make the pouch. Gonna get me some pasta. All right, so here's the dinner. Looks pretty good. Try the pasta first. Okay. Definitely taste that lemon. It's nice and fresh tasting. It definitely doesn't taste as heavy as I thought it was going to. Has a nice flavor. All right, let me taste it with the chicken. It's definitely good. Okay, this is like a great meal. I will definitely clean my plate. So it doesn't taste like super authentic chicken Parmesan. Thank you. Now my Italian ancestors won't kill me. Because you've still got that Chick-fil-A tasting chicken patty, but it doesn't stand out as much as I thought it would. I mean, it tastes like a chicken parm that you would get in a chain restaurant. The only thing I would like is maybe a little Parmesan like crusted into the chicken. That's what you're missing, but for convenience, it's worth it. Now I gotta taste it all together. I mean, it's a good dinner. So at the end of the day, Chick-fil-A take-home dinner is a great idea. There's definitely a time and place. It's perfect for busy nights, practices, kids, activities, when you just don't have time to prep a full meal but you want something delicious. This Chick-fil-A dinner is the way to go. In the meantime, don't forget to follow MyRecipes on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and click that bell, will ya? Mangia. That means let's eat in Italian. Thought I would give you a look at what the whole thing looks like divided among 5 plates. That's the one I started. The kids' plates look sufficient and the husband's plate looks good. So I think everyone will be satisfied.
I like it.
You like that? Chew it up. As usual, Mikey likes it. You give it 2 thumbs up? Kind of sideways thumbs up. Okay.